So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a trim kit for the homeowner here. This is a Moen. The original rough-in was not done by us, but they had all the components. So nice fixed shower head, rain shower style, and then of course the trim kit cover plate and handle, and then the spout. The only conflict that we had here is at the bottom. You can see the tile. Well, maybe not from that angle, but the tile is not flush. So instead of the tile being straight up and down the wall, it's kind of kicked out like that. Only problem is when the spout goes on, it hits the bottom here, but not the top. So you can see a pretty big gap here. We did fill it with silicone. We told the homeowner, you know, this will be fine. All you're using it for is to divert water from the tub to the shower, and you know, fill the tub. That's all you need this for. But try and not put a lot of pressure on this, because this is mounted on a piece of copper about to here, with a plastic insert that attaches here, and so it's not rigid. Normally we would come in and do a piece of brass pipe and screw it on, and it'd be nice and tight. So just kind of leave this alone, you'll be in good shape. So anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.